Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about file extensions. HTML files should have a .html extension. That is, .htm is also allowed. CSS files should have a .css extension. And JavaScript files should have a .js extension. Don't you forget that. As you can see right here in my document right here, when I want to select the JavaScript, I select something .js file. And if you are trying to select something as CSS file, you say .css. Like this one, I'm having new .css file. So be very careful when you're trying to select something. And if you are trying to select something like HTML, the file name is going to be .html. Like now, let's say we have anchor tag here and want to give it .html. We can pick our phone.html, as you can see. So the file extension matters a lot. Be careful. Know what you are selecting before you select it, because this one is the file name right here is HTML file name. So that's what I want to show you guys right now. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.